Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 2.
Tempo. Maddie and Bryce. All right, we had no leaders, so it was followers day. So we did a bunch of drills to help you dance fast in different scenarios. We started with 20s Charleston, learning our pitches. Remember, you can practice this at home. Out, 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 out. We want a pulse every time. Work on this by yourself. Yeah, you can go side to side. Eventually, we want to work up to our ba, 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 ba. So, practice that on your own. Then, we did our variation where we're still taking that 20s Charleston. We had ba, ba, out, and back, ba, ba, out, and back. We also tried ba, swoop. Tap and swoop. You can combine them. That's Bryce is showing. Around and swoop. So, practice that.
Sorry, I forgot. We're back.
And then
we left 20s behind and we did some 30s Charleston drills. I started off, I wanted us to do just hop to the beat. Get tired? Switch beat. A little air pocket underneath your foot. Every beat. That's a nice foundation.
And then we took our 6 count and our 8 count. We replaced the triples with kick steps. Rock step, kick step, rock step, kick, kick. For 8 count, rock step, kick step, run, kick step. That'll come in handy with our eventual partnering. And then lastly, we did kick stepping for turning. You can practice that at home if you have the space.
Let's you do that.